Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A31 and today I want to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Start by opening any apps like YouTube, calendar and clock. Then click on the bottom left corner and tap on an icon of an app. Then select Open in pop-up view. So this is the first one, second one and third one. As you can see, now I can use all of these apps at the same time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Bye!